To search in Academic Search Complete or our other Ebsco databases, type in your keywords. Start broad and then narrow your search by adding keywords or using limiters. Evaluate the results by scanning the title and subjects. You can also use the subject limiter to select subject headings you find relevant to your research. The date limiter is useful for narrowing down your results to items published more recently. Generally, you want to stick to articles published in the last 10 years or so. Your results have icons next to them, which say academic journal or periodical. You can use the scholarly peer-reviewed box to limit your results to scholarly articles, if appropriate for your assignment. Once you've found an article that works well with your research needs, you can click on it for more information about the article. On this page, you will find access to the full text. You will also see the subject term selected for the article and an abstract. The abstract is a summary of the article and can be a good way to see if the article is relevant to your research. There is also a toolbar which will allow you to print, save, and cite the article. Always double-check the citation for correct spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and formatting. For more help using the library databases, contact us.